everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got another Ferrari, another red Ferrari, and it's again from Tomica. And this one is the Laferrari, or the Ferrari, as you say. This was the very first hybrid Ferrari, so it got a big V12 and a hybrid system in it. But unlike the normal hybrid, like you get Prius or Camry or Honda's Insight and other hybrids, the hybrid here wasn't there to increase the range, but it was here to add on more power. So with the hybrid system, if I'm not wrong, it produced around 1000 bhp, I guess. And correct me if I'm wrong, or I might be wrong, or I might have to Google how much power it made. But this was the 1/3 of the Holy Trinity that came out, which included Ferrari Laferrari, Porsche 918, and McLaren P1. These three came out almost at the same time and were competing with each other so badly. But let's talk about that later, and let's talk about this casting. So, a Laferrari from Tomica. First of all, it's in red and black roof obviously, and red looks amazing. So, starting for the casting. So up front, one thing which you will notice, the headlamps are really nicely detailed, and they have all the LED fixtures which you see on a normal car, so they really look nice. And then you've got the big grille here and the diffuser, I guess, or splitter. So you've got that Ferrari badging, big vent up here, and it was again a mid-engine car, so no engine up front, but there was vent here, and big windscreen again makes it look like a cockpit of an airplane. And these cars are really very driver-centric. Obviously, these are Ferrari, so they do cocoon you in a way that you will feel that you're driving something really special. So yeah, again from Tomica, no windshield wiper here, so I'm surprised. Why don't they do it? They do everything else so nicely, but they won't give you windshield wiper or mirrors. Well, it's the main line for Tomica. They might be saving that for premium or limited vintage. Okay, so you can see up top, you can see the beautiful shape of the Laferrari. You can see the beautiful engine here, fuel filler cap, again vents here. So yeah, coming on the side, again it's nicely detailed. You can see all the curves on the running board, diffuser, everything. The big vent here, the beautifully sculptured rear end or the body, the rear quarter, and a Ferrari logo here, and those hideous wheels too. Sorry, but they do. I don't know why Tomica does that. Even if they use the wheels Hot Wheels use or Matchbox use, they would make much more sense and would have looked much better. But then it's Tomica. I don't know. So coming on the other side, you can see that tail lamps are nicely detailed, and they're again not mounted on the painted on the body. They're actual plastic parts here, just like the headlamp. Apart from that, on the back you can see the Ferrari logo. I don't know if it's visible, but there are exhaust tips here, but those are not painted. And you can see the brake light, the F1 style brake light, and the diffuser here. Apart from that, again engine here from the back, you can see the V12. And on the other side, it's identical, nothing different, looks same. So as a casting, overall casting, it looks really nice. It's really nicely done. The detailing is nicely captured. The headlamp and tail lamp, the badges, everything look really nice. The only thing missing, as I said so many times, nicer wheel and maybe a set of mirror. Apart from that, it's really nice looking casting. Looks wonderful. And it's not a proper 1:64, but again, who cares? It looks so nice. Well, it's close to 164. I think it's 162. But again, it looks nice. Nice casting, and well, Ferrari, small scale Ferrari is always hard to find in like Hot Wheel, or basically they don't make it, so you can't find in that. And I think there are other manufacturers like Mini GT, or there are other few who do make it, but they don't go. They are costly, I guess, but they have nicer detail, really nice detail, and they're as par with, if you say, Tomica Premium or Tomica Limited Vintage. So if I get chance, I will definitely get, if I can get one, I will get one of those. But for now, this main line looks nice, a really good casting, and yeah, let me know what do you think about it, what do you think about the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.